Hi, I'm Karina Stone and welcome to the Midweek Wrap, your local news and weather program, only on Yarra Ranges Life TV, brought to you this week again from our production studio. In the Fentragully Belgrave Mail, an 11-year-old Belgrave South boy has put forward a presentation to the Yarra Ranges Council pledging for a new skate park to be built at an old recreation reserve in Belgrave South. Aaron Denny made the submission during a council meeting on the 28th of May, complete with a PowerPoint presentation and a petition with 129 signatures from local shopkeepers. Mayor Tony Stevenson said the council would take Aaron's suggestion on board and refer it to the engineering department for consideration. In the Mountain Views Mail this week, a special service was held at the Shrine of Remembrance on the 31st of May to honour the Aboriginal servicemen and women who have served and continue to serve in the Australian Defence Force. The Victorian Aboriginal Remembrance Service was founded by Indigenous elder Auntie Dot Peters, who is well known and respected throughout the Yarra Valley. Dot approached the Healesville RSL in 2007 asking if they would get involved with Reconciliation Week, and as a tribute to her late father who died as a prisoner of war, they had a didgeridoo played alongside the ode. Since then, the Aboriginal Remembrance Service has spread throughout Australia and continues to grow in support each year. In the Mount Evelyn Mail, a tragic accident has turned into a story of kindness and community support after a local mother of two accidentally hit and killed a 41-year-old Wandon North man with her car on Friday the 10th of May. The incident occurred after the man, who was wearing dark clothing and headphones, stepped onto Lilydale Monbulk Road in Mount Evelyn in dark and wet conditions. The mother, who had her two children in the car at the time, was devastated by the incident and, in an act of kindness, was given a helping hand by Yarra Ranges Highway Patrol leading Senior Constable Scott Lardner. Leading Senior Constable Lardner explained the woman's situation to Yarra Valley Towing, who agreed to waive her storage fees and replace her windshield at no cost, as well as Ashmore's Smash Repairs and Just Jeep's Auto Wreckers, who chipped in by repairing her car at almost half the cost. The woman has thanked leading Senior Constable Lardner and the businesses who helped for their kindness and generosity during such a difficult time. And in the Upper Yarra Mail, Eastern Rangers footballer Cody Hurst from Wandon has been selected by the Sydney Swans at the AFL Mid-Season Rookie Draft on Monday the 27th of May. The 19-year-old played for Lilydale Football Netball Club as a junior before moving on to the Eastern Rangers in the NAB League's under-19s. Hurst is known for his speed and endurance, breaking Fremantle's Stephen Hill's record in agility testing twice last year. Eastern Rangers talent manager Sean Toohey said he wasn't surprised to see Hurst selected, as he's been in strong form all year, averaging 23.8 possessions per game in the NAB League this year. Well done, Cody. And in the lead up to our 100th midweek wrap next week, we're going to revisit some of our earlier episodes from 2017 and 18. So be sure to stay tuned for some great moments from our past. But for now, here's your weekly 5-day weather forecast. And this weekend, Pat's back and we're off to Healesville Sanctuary's Wine and Wildlife Festival with a few new additions to share. Plus, we'll be squeezing in a couple of impromptu broadcasts for your long weekend. So make sure to be following us on Facebook to receive notifications whenever we go live. And for now, let's thank Danny Field for editing this week's Midweek Wrap. I'm Karina Stone, and as always, we're living, loving and sharing life in the Yarra Valley and the Ranges, only on Yarra Ranges Life TV.